Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add or download music to Lark Player. So it's actually very easy. The first thing that you need to do is to download Lark Player. So if you don't have it, you need to go to Google Play and you need to search for Lark Player, and then you need to click on the install button from here. After that, you need to actually enable the file permissions on Lark Player. So you need to go to App Info LC from here, and then you need to go to permissions, and then you need to enable or allow the storage. After that, you can actually open Lark Player, and now you can see all the music and mp3s that you have downloaded into Lark Player. You can't actually download music from Lark Player itself. You need to download it from third parties like mp3 websites or something like that. After that, all the mp3s that you have downloaded will be right here. You can see everything you have downloaded from here, all the playlists. I'll see from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.